and gentlemen, you already know who it is. The trout slaying trucker is in the building. I forgot to do an intro when I was out fishing the past couple days. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it now. I'm fishing up in North Georgia, up in the mountains, hitting some ponds, a couple lakes, creeks, rivers, anything that's fishable. I was fishing. I'm not gonna tell y'all what I caught, so y'all better stay tuned and watch the video. I did catch multiple species. I had a great time, spent some time with my daughter. I didn't get to stay home as long as I wanted to and fish as long as I wanted to, but yeah, you see it. I'm back out here in the truck. But anyways, I just wanted to make a quick intro because I know I've been skipping the past couple. But yeah, so everybody stay tuned. I hope y'all enjoy it. And until next time.
Real. Oh, it's a bass. Look at that.
Up here. Is it spotted?
No, that's a largemouth.
Oh, that's a largemouth? Okay, let me get a picture.
She caught that on a trout magnet. Just got him on a rubber worm. Yes, sir. There he is, guys. Nice little bass. Got him on a rubber worm. I gotta walk over here so she can take a picture. On the rubber worm, man. They're liking that rubber worm today. If I hook another one on this, I'll let you reel it in, alright?
I'll let you count it, because you're getting all of them.
Hold the net up. Guess we're gonna. Ladies and gentlemen, just got out here to Cooper's Creek.
Someone got their line stuck in that tree branch.
Ooh, really?
Yeah.
This is a trout spot, but I'll take anything I can catch out of here. So, y'all stay tuned. Well, guys, I normally bypass this spot. I've tried it once or twice, and I actually never ever caught anything over here. And I just lost a nice one right here, and I caught a little rainbow on the other side. So I'm just throwing a Joe's fly. If I throw some corn out here or some power bait, I could probably kill them, but I like catching them on the Joe's fly. I'm gonna head over that way real quick. I said we were tied on that yesterday for bass. I thought you had one. Hopefully he didn't swallow that so I can release him. It's a little baby. Yep. Let me see that net, Des. Actually, let me see that phone too, so I can get a clean release on him.
Take this first.
Put the phone in there. Just put the phone in there. All right, thank you. Nice rainbow. Beautiful, actually. Let me get a picture of this little pretty creature. There you go. And I'm going to release this. Oh, what happened to the hook? I literally just had one right here, guys. Dang, I didn't set the hook in time. But yeah, I literally just had one right there. There he is. Hey! Yes! I'm gonna get down there and release them real quick, guys. But you see it? That's another rainbow. Bring the net, yeah! I'm gonna get a couple more casts and I'm out of here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I didn't get to fish like I really wanted to, but I'm headed back to my truck tomorrow, so I'm gonna go ahead and edit this video later, post it up. But yeah, at least I got to get out and go fishing. I caught some nice largemouth bass in Hiawassee. Caught a couple carp in Blairsville. Caught, roughly around 8 to 10 trout. All scattered though. Caught some in Cooper's Creek. I caught some over in Boggs Creek. Yeah, I'm just giving it a few more casts right in here. This looks kind of nice. And then I'm going to head up out of here. I just had one. I definitely feel like there's one in here. Oh no, that's in the tree. Damn it.